Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Quantower with Apex. Let's get started by opening Quantower on your computer. Give the platform a moment to load fully and make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you haven't used Quantower in a while, it's a good idea to let any updates complete before proceeding, since connection modules often improve with new releases. Once the platform is open, look toward the top area of the workspace. You'll see the connection options available in Quantower. Click on Rhythmic. This is important because Apex uses the Rhythmic infrastructure for data and order routing, so selecting Rhythmic ensures you're connecting through the correct technology provider. Next, find the server dropdown. This menu lists different Rhythmic endpoints. Click to open the list. You may notice several servers that look similar. That's normal. Each one is tailored for different regions or account types. Here, you want to look specifically for the Apex server. Select the option that clearly references Apex. If you have both evaluation and funded access, choose the server that matches your account type and location for the best performance. Now you'll see fields for your username and password. Enter the credentials provided for your Rhythmic connection through Apex. Take your time and type carefully, as these fields are case sensitive. Avoid copying extra spaces and make sure you're using the correct set of credentials for the server you selected. Keep this information secure and do not share it. If you're on a trusted device and see an option to remember your login, use it only if it aligns with your security preferences. When everything looks correct, click Connect. Give the platform a few seconds to authenticate. You should see a status indicator change to Connected, often with a green light or a confirmation message. After connection, your account and data should begin populating in Quantower. If you don't see data right away, wait briefly as the initial feed loads. If the connection fails, double-check that you chose the Apex server, verify your username and password, and ensure your internet is stable. Some security software or firewalls can block connections, so temporarily disabling strict rules or allowing Quantower through your firewall may help. Also, confirm your system clock is accurate, as time mismatches can interfere with secure logins. That's it. You opened Quantower, selected Rhythmic, chose the correct Apex server, entered your credentials, and connected successfully. You're now ready to proceed with your trading setup inside Quantower.